In the eternal darkness of interstellar space, there are nameless travelers. It has been here for a long time. It entered the solar system's boundaries in 1837, but we didn't see it until it was too late. Before humanity knew of 2I/Borisov or named future visitors like 3 Atlas, this object appeared as a paradox. It had no tail, no coma, and moved in a way that defied all our laws of physics. Once we realized it didn't belong here, its test of us had truly ended. The Hawaiians call it Oumuamua, meaning a messenger from the distant past, a scout. A 10-to-1 ratio, a shape too extreme to be a natural rock. Some scientists believe it's flat like a shield rather than elongated like a cigar. Many even believe it's an alien spacecraft. It appears to be damaged. Those erratic tumbles, like a ship with a failed engine drifting in the stellar currents for millions of years. It doesn't move like an inert rock. An invisible force is acting upon it. If it were a comet, it would leave a trail of dust and gas. But Oumuamua is completely clean. No gas, no dust, nothing at all. A strange object with thermal properties unlike anything we've ever known. Or it's a form of matter we've never seen before, a block of pure hydrogen ice. An invisible entity burning itself to accelerate without leaving any optical traces. In 2019, a second visitor appeared 2I/Borisov. It carried a long dust tail, spewed gas, and behaved exactly like a comet we've always known. Borisov was so ordinary that it made Oumuamua seem like a cosmic schizophrenic. Borisov proved that nature has its own laws, and Oumuamua seems to have stepped outside those laws. While humans are dreaming of light sails to reach Alpha Centauri at 20% the speed of light, Oumuamua appeared. Professor Avi Loeb from Harvard proposed a shocking hypothesis. It is an artificial light sail, thinner than a millimeter, yet vast and durable enough to withstand an interstellar journey. That is the only explanation for its acceleration without detectable outgassing. It appears as an answer, or a challenge from a civilization that has been ahead of us by millions of years. Professor Avi Loeb also suggests another possibility. Oumuamua is not a spacecraft. It is a fragment of a Dyson Sphere, a massive structure encircling a star to harness its energy. If true, we are not seeing an alien life form. We are seeing the debris of a civilization that reached a superior level, but perhaps was not spared from collapse. We have tried to trace its way home, sifting through the past of millions of stars. If it is artificial, it does not necessarily have to be an active spacecraft. Imagine a massive graveyard among the stars, a place where the debris of extinct civilizations has drifted for billions of years. Oumuamua might simply be a fragment of a billboard, a solar panel, or a piece of a space station that exploded in an era before Earth even formed. We didn't find life, we only found space archaeology. We've identified 4 stars that could be its home. But when we look at the speedometer, everything falls apart. The universe has its own laws. A rock naturally ejected from its home system usually drifts by very slowly. But Oumuamua was hurtling at 25 kilometers per second, 10 times faster than expected velocity. It was too fast to be considered debris from a nearby star system, yet too slow to be an intentional traveler crossing the galaxy. It was like a strayed traveler drifting between the cosmic time zones. Before colliding with the solar system, it seemed to simply stand still. waiting, like a buoy floating in the current of the stars. We missed Oumuamua. It passed by while we were still lulled into complacency, believing we understood everything about the sky. But the world will not be caught off guard again. The upcoming Vera Rubin telescope could detect up to 70 objects like Oumuamua each year. ESA's Comet Interceptor mission in 2029 will be waiting in space. It will be the first hunter to ambush an interstellar visitor the moment it steps through the gateway to the solar system. We will no longer have to chase after phantoms. We will face them head-on. Voyager 1 carries maps and greetings to tell of Earth's existence. Oumuamua might also be someone's Voyager. An envoy carrying the message of a world long since vanished. A mirror reflecting our own journey into the eternal future. It came from above the ecliptic plane. It surveyed the entire solar system like a panoramic view, then departed in the opposite direction. There is a hypothesis no one wants to believe it is an autonomous observation station von Neumann probe. It doesn't need to say hello. It simply collects data on the development of nascent civilizations, encodes it into its acceleration, and sends it back to someone out there in the void. By the time we recognize it, the inspection is over. It is leaving. By 2038, it will have surpassed even humanity's farthest footprints. Like Voyager, it will become a relic of a civilization or a world that perished billions of years ago. We may never know what it is, but its fleeting presence reminds us this universe is vaster than we can imagine.